Okay guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Kunai PS4 and mobile devices headset. You see the headset right there. Triton. Okay? Let's just get it open with. I'm back with a quick little review of the Kunai, not the Kunai, I don't know why I said that, Kunai headphones from Triton. And after a few days of using them and experimenting, I've came to the conclusion that they are pretty good for listening to music and stuff. Sadly, I've not been able to use them to game because I have a PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 and a PC, and this cannot support any of these for gaming. But the microphone, which right here, is cross-compatible with other headsets. Like, my brother has a Turtle Beach Recon, I think it is, and his microphone broke. This works. Luckily, because now we can at least, use these to game. Even though they come with these cords. You got your AV cables, your USB cord, and this to plug in to here. But these cables, you don't need them to plug into like the Xbox One and PlayStation 4. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with those, because I tried it for the PlayStation 3 to plug them in and do all that, like my brother does for his Turtle Beach, and it didn't work. So, yeah. Anyways, the sound is really good in these, and when you have them at max volume, they're super noise canceling. They're super comfortable. They're actually really nice square. Hopefully you saw that. Just one more time. They're really nice, and I'm a little bit skeptical at first, but they're actually really, really nice. Yeah, it comes with a, what would you call this? Yeah, it's Kunai. Well, this is what you would use for the microphone. Like here's the, well, this is also volume for the headphones too. Here's volume and what I assume to be, I don't know what the top one is. I thought that was for, you know, output volume, but that one's for output volume. And if you look closely, the bottom one has the, you know, headphone symbol, and the top one has the headphone symbol. But the top one works for volume, or vice versa. Top one is headphones, and the bottom one is mic. But they do the exact opposite, and then, you know, it comes with these. And I like to use this when I'm listening to, like, when I'm watching videos and stuff, because when you just have these on, it's good volume, but you only have this. But when you plug it into that, you get to turn up the volume as well with this. That's why I like to do that. And it gives it a little extra reach. But, yeah. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the montage. I'll put a link to the song that I used. And, yeah. If you're wondering who was filming me, it was my friend Todd Clifton. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel. It's Stay Sarcastic. Yeah. Also, I like the headset's pretty flexible. It is like that. I don't have them near me, but I have a pair of headphones that folds up pretty small that are really nice, you know, to have them go. But yeah. And as you saw in the video, these came with free stickers, which is, you know, a huge plus, which is probably what took up most of the cost. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.